How to delete Spotify account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. In order to delete Spotify account, you have to log in to your Spotify account through a web browser. So let's go ahead and do that. Open up any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome and get logged into your account. As you do so, you will see a settings option on your top right corner. Tap open it. Then tap on View Account. Now at this page, scroll below. You will see Close Account option under Security and Privacy. Tap open it. Once you tap on Continue to close your account, it will close your account and delete your data. So before that, make sure that you read all these conditions and tap on Continue to close your account. Now the last step is opening up your Gmail. As you do so, you will see Spotify email. Now, in order to close your account, you have to tap on Close My Account from your email within 24 hours. If you miss the chance, you won't be able to delete your account. So let's go ahead and tap on Close My Account. Then you are all done closing your Spotify account. In case you change your mind and would like to reactivate your Spotify account, then the Spotify has sent you a link within the previous email. You can go ahead and tap onto that link and reactivate your Spotify account within 7 days. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.